All right, so let's talk about some more definitions. I just placed the same grades on the exam for Math 95 here, so we wouldn't have to look up every single time. So we have these grades. We are going to figure out some measures of center or average. We like to usually say measures of center. And what those refer to are these three definitions. And so the mean, you most likely have heard before, is known as the average. So we will be finding the mean of these exam scores. This is something I do, being your teacher, and because it gives me information, right? If the average is really low, what happened, right? I have to start digging a little bit deeper, make sure that I'm giving students everything they need to be successful, kind of thing. Median is also very informative, and this is just the middle value. Now, this is really, 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 really important. I'm going to put it in red. Data has to be put in order. Order. Okay. Smallest to largest. Okay. So your data has to be put in order, and then the middle value is known as your median. Now, when you have an odd number of values, life is really nice, and it is just the single middle value. However, when you have an even number of values, and I'll give you an example to the side in a second, you have to take the average of the two middle values. So for example, I'm just going to do it, let's change colors, just do it right here. So let's just say I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there's even number, right? So if I'm going to try to find the middle, I go, okay, on both tail ends, trying to work my way to the middle. Well, I don't have a clear middle number, right? These two. So what I need to do is I have to take the average. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then I have to divide that by how many values there are. So my median for this set of data would be 3.5. All right, so it's easier if you have an odd number of values. And your mode is going to be the thing that occurs the most often. However, on your histogram, this is the location of the center of the highest bar on the histogram. All right, so let's see if we can figure out some things about this set of data. So the first thing we have to do is we have to arrange the grades in order. I've already done this, so just to save a little time, I'm going to just name them out for us. So 49, 49, 52, 58, 62, 66, 67, 71, 73, 74, 75, 78, 81, 82, 84, 85, 86, 91, 96. And what I would like to do, just to ensure that I listed everything accurately, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we should have 19 because of when we made the histogram, we counted them. Okay. So the mean, which I'm assuming a lot of us are familiar with, that means we have to take the average. So we need to add up all these values. I'm not going to write it all down because it's just way too much, right? So hopefully you're okay with that. And then you need to divide it by how many sets of data you have, which is 19 for us. So you can do this in your calculator, or we can use Excel or Google Sheets as well. But I'm assuming all of us know how to add, so I'm just going to kind of jump the gun here and tell you it's 72.6. This is really important. We have to have units. Because these values are talking about points on an exam, this is points. So that's 72.6. The median, I have to find the middle number. So I'm going to go one out, 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 out. Because there's an odd number, right? Because we have 19, we should have a clear middle. And we have this, 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 this. So 74 points is our median. Now the mode, we would think it should be 49 because that's the number that occurs the most. So we think it should be 49. But, and that's where I'm going to stop this video, and we're going to talk about what we can gather from the histogram about our mean, median, and mode.